Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best art kits is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark creativity and imagination in young minds, offering a gateway to a world of color, texture, and endless possibilities for little artists aged 4 to 6. These carefully curated collections are designed to engage girls in a variety of artistic endeavors, from painting and drawing to sculpting and crafting, ensuring hours of fun while developing fine motor skills and fostering a love for self-expression. Imagine the joy on their faces as they bring their unique visions to life, creating masterpieces that will be cherished for years to come. Number 5. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. Use sparkly gems, colorful stickers, and fun accessories to make it uniquely yours. It's a creative way to stay hydrated and express yourself. This all-in-one kit provides everything for a magical crafting session. You'll find a durable water bottle, charming unicorn-themed decorations, gemstone and vinyl stickers, and a stylish wristlet for easy carrying. Delight any girl who loves unicorns with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give a gift you'll be proud of. Kids will love customizing their bottles with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that last. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide opening makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards, making it ideal for home and school. What we like? This kit lets kids decorate their own water bottle with sparkly unicorn themes. It includes everything needed, plus extra stickers for more fun. If you are looking for a practical craft that encourages hydration and creativity, this is a great choice for unicorn-loving girls. What people say. The kit includes a variety of materials like glitter glue, googly eyes, and fuzzy sticks, allowing for diverse creative projects. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for young children to use independently or with minimal adult supervision. Number 4. YOFUN Unicorn Night Light Craft Kit. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one craft kit. Your child will love building and decorating their very own unicorn night light, and be amazed by its beautiful glow when it's turned on. Looking for a unique gift? This unicorn night light craft is ideal for kids and teens who love unicorns. It's a fun activity that adds a touch of magic to any room. Crafting is a breeze with our detailed, step-by-step instructions. Each step includes a clear image, ensuring a fun and frustration-free experience as they bring their unicorn to life. Enjoy the convenience of battery operation. The LED light uses replaceable batteries, so no plugs or wires are necessary. It's ready to glow whenever needed. We are committed to your satisfaction. This craft kit offers endless fun and comes with a 30-day return policy. Buy with confidence and let the creative adventures begin. What we like? Create a magical unicorn night light with this all-inclusive kit. It comes with detailed, image-based instructions for easy crafting. If your child loves unicorns and you want a fun, novelty craft that results in a functional room decoration, this is perfect. What people say. This is a great set for my 5-year-old granddaughter. She loves the variety of beads and charms. The kit comes with everything you need to make beautiful bracelets and necklaces. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. My daughter spent hours creating her own jewelry. She was so proud of her finished pieces. Number 3. ZMLM Scratch Rainbow Art Paper Set. Discover the ZMLM Scratch Rainbow Art Paper Set, a magical way for kids to create stunning artworks. This set provides everything needed to bring colorful designs to life. With 100 sheets and wooden styluses, children can scratch away to reveal vibrant rainbow colors. It's a fantastic way to keep them engaged with fun, hands-on DIY activities. Crafted from premium, tear-resistant paper, this art set encourages creativity and fine motor skills. It's perfect for painting, drawing, and practicing letters, keeping kids happily occupied. From party favors to school projects, these scratch notes are incredibly versatile. Use them for cards, bookmarks, decorations, and more, fostering imagination and artistic expression. Looking for a unique gift? This scratch art set is ideal for birthdays and holidays, suitable for children aged 3 and up. It's a wonderful way to nurture their interest in art. Take the fun anywhere. This set is perfect for travel, classrooms, or just a quiet afternoon at home. Inspiration can strike anytime, anywhere, and they'll be ready to create. What we like. Unleash creativity with this large set of scratch art paper. Kids can scratch away the black coating to reveal vibrant rainbow colors. If you need a budget-friendly, versatile art supply for party favors, travel, or simply keeping kids engaged with imaginative drawing, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of materials like glitter glue, googly eyes, and pipe cleaners, allowing for diverse creative projects. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children, making it a great independent activity. The finished crafts are surprisingly sturdy and look great on display, providing a sense of accomplishment for the kids. Number 2. LEGO Secret Boxes 41925 DIY Craft Kit. Recognize a child's hard work and passion for arts and crafts with this creative DIY kit. It's ideal for kids who love to express themselves through design. This cool kit features an opening book-shaped box with a working lock and storage space inside. It also includes a small box with a picture frame, 2 keys, and a storage tray. The included tiles are perfect for creating unique designs. Kids can also combine them with tiles from other LEGO kits to expand their imagination. Any fan of DIY or arts and crafts will love this imaginative play toy. It makes a great everyday gift or a fun creative reward for boys and girls aged 6 and up. The locking, book-shaped box is the perfect size for tucking away secrets. It measures just over 3 centimeters high, 8 centimeters wide, and 9 centimeters long, making it easy to store. What we like. This LEGO set allows kids to build and decorate secret boxes. It includes a lockable book-shaped box and a smaller picture frame box. If your child enjoys building with Legos and loves personalizing their creations with colorful tiles, this kit offers a fun way to store treasures and express their design skills. What people say. This is a great craft kit for kids. It has a variety of activities and materials, and it's easy for kids to use. My daughter loved this craft kit. She spent hours creating different projects, and she was so proud of her finished products. This craft kit is a wonderful way to encourage creativity and imagination in young children. It provides a fun and engaging way for them to express themselves. Number 1. SpringFlower Unicorn Arts and Crafts Painting Kit. Discover the magic of creativity with this enchanting unicorn painting kit. It's designed to spark imagination and bring colorful dreams to life. This all-inclusive set comes with everything your child needs to create their own masterpiece. From unicorns to paints and brushes, the fun is ready to begin. Engage in hours of artistic exploration that also helps develop essential skills. It's a wonderful way to foster creativity and hand-eye coordination. Make any occasion special with this delightful craft activity. It's an ideal choice for parties, sleepovers, or as a memorable gift for any young artist. Craft with confidence knowing that all the materials are safe and non-toxic for children. Cleanup is a breeze, allowing more time for creative play. We stand by the quality of our product, ensuring a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This set provides everything needed to paint and decorate unicorn figures. It comes with multiple unicorn models, paints, brushes, and glitter glue. If you're looking for an activity that fosters fine motor skills and color exploration, and your child enjoys hands-on painting projects, this is a fantastic choice for hours of creative fun. What people say. The kit includes a variety of craft supplies like beads, glitter, paint, and stickers, offering multiple creative options. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for young children to complete projects independently or with minimal adult help. The finished crafts are beautiful and can be used as decorations or gifts, providing a sense of accomplishment for the child. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.